Welcome to Baron.says. Today I'm going to do a mask. I'm going to do this homemade rose. I picked this mask because it matches my mumu. Show me your mumu. Also, I already cleaned my face once, so I'm going to clean my face again with this. Cactus Revive. Alright, so let's get started. It smells like cactus. It smells very plant-like. Okay, let's go ahead and rinse it off. Pretty sticky. Doesn't seem to want to come off. Alright, use my mumu here. I don't know if you're supposed to do that, but hey, that's what I'm doing. My eyes. Alright, so like I said, I'm going to do the pomade rose. Okay. So, never done one of these before, so just going to see if I can do it. Ew, it's all sticky and nasty in here. Ew. Ew. Why is it so nasty? Oh man, it feels like boogers or something. Ew. I can't even take it apart. This is a boogery mess. Oh man, I am not good at this. Okay, I see an opening here. There we go. Ooh. Alright, so just put it on, huh? So what, like 15 minutes or so on this, huh? Man, I look freaky. Doesn't want to stick to my beard. I guess it doesn't like to stick to hair very well. You ladies don't have that problem because hopefully you don't have a beard. No hate. Just saying hopefully. Alright. I'll be back when I take it off. If it doesn't come off by itself. I look freaky. Look like a piggy. It's been 15 minutes and as you can see, this mask did not want to stick to my hair. But I like how freaky I look. But yeah, let me know what you think. I'm thinking about doing a mud mask as well. Either the Glam Glow mud or the glitter. Let me know if you'd like to see that. I'd be willing to try it out. But yeah, let's take off this mask now, even though he really doesn't want to stay. Alright, so gotta gently rub the serum, right? I'm supposed to rub some of this on my arms too, or what? Alright. Oh, okay. My face feels very greasy. I really don't know the last time my face felt this greasy. Alright. Alright, that's feel better now. So yeah, hope you like the video. Please share, please subscribe, and please have a good day. Face is dried. Do I look shiny? Do I look pretty?